Hi, everybody, and welcome back. This is a retake of the video I did where the slogan was, I regret this. So if you're new here, I am Danny. Welcome. Welcome to Natural LID. I am an aromatherapist and a social worker, and I share things related to enhancing our overall quality of life and well-being. So this is a retake of that video. I thank you for watching. If you did, if you didn't watch it, it's okay. I was trying to record. I didn't quite have quite enough subscribers, which I didn't realize at the moment, but it is all good. I am just thankful that you're here watching this right now. So I wanted to share with you my mindfulness-based stress reduction training finale. Yes, so as you can see here, I did it. I finished the training course this past weekend, and it was truly a blessing for me. If you didn't catch the midway update, I'll leave a link to that in the description, where I talked about how, in one session, I just really let go of my emotions, and whatever was going on with me, it showed up and showed out, okay? But the overall course was just absolutely wonderful. I left with some wonderful gems and tools in my toolbox for myself and to share with others. And I'll share a little bit with you of things that I learned. If you've taken a mindfulness class, if you don't mind sharing, put your information in the description or describe what you learned from the mindfulness class that you took and what was your takeaway. So some of my takeaways were being aware and being in the present moment, taking inventory of your breath, how you're feeling, how is your body feeling, and all parts of your body from your head to your toes, when you're going about your day. Being in the present moment, not thinking about the things of the past, not concerned about the things of the future, but just, take some time to just be in the present moment and be grateful and centered where you are, and take inventory of what's going on with you and your temple and your body, and, respond accordingly, giving yourself compassion and tenderness for what you're feeling in the present moment, and taking time to love on yourself by just being quiet and being still and doing some form of meditation, if you will. There was a few exercises that we were introduced to, a little different. One of the exercises was yoga. I'm familiar with yoga, but not in the form that it was given. So some of those exercises, or actually all of them, were very good for me. And one in particular, what they call the body scan, where you're, going from your head to your toe, and you're taking inventory of how you're feeling, in the moment. By the time we got halfway through, I was asleep. And I shared with the instructor very lovingly, and jokingly, that he is the cure for insomnia. If you cannot sleep, you put that that body scan meditation on, and halfway through you could be asleep. So the meditation exercises, what else did I have here? I mentioned the awareness piece of it. The exercise, that we did had me, inevitably relaxed, and I would just fall asleep. And lastly, I'll leave you with this. So one of the bonus things that I left from this course and have another tool in my toolbox is stopping and taking a pause, when you're going about your day and interacting with people or interacting to situations, if it's available, if it's afforded to you at the time, if you can take time to stop and to pause before you respond, before you, interact or, going about your daily life, just take a moment, if you can, to stop and pause and think, right? And one of the three things that was mentioned is that first off, before you respond, is think about how you're going to respond, and in your response, is it kind, right? What you're about to say or what you're about to do, is it kind? What you're thinking, is it true? Right? Okay. And whatever you plan to do or think or say to someone, is it helpful? I think that we can all perhaps agree that sometimes if we could just take a pause, step back, and have a more of a response that would be helpful and not a hindrance, so speaking for myself, that the outcome might be totally different. How many times have you said something that at the moment you were speaking from your feelings, but not thinking through what you were going to say, and you wish you had not said it and wish you could take it back? But once you say it, you can't take it back, particularly if the other person or other party has heard you. So, that was a bonus takeaway for me for this mindfulness based stress reduction course. It's truly invaluable. And the instructor, again, Turfe, I think I'm going to try to put a picture here. And I'll leave a link to a video that he did where he goes into explaining more about his training. But if you're interested, definitely reach out to him. I'll leave his information in the description. If you want to email him, he is Turfe, ALITURFE 429@gmail.com. And you email him, let him know that you're interested in attending the training. And he has trainings throughout the week. You can do drop-in courses, for 30 minutes, or you can take the full-blown 8-week course. There's another course starting in winter 2023. There is an orientation to attend to. Again, the classes are free and they're by Zoom, so you can do them from anywhere as long as you have internet and Zoom access. And it's absolutely wonderful and worth the time. And you are worth the time to take for your healing. It's a paraphrasing a quote by Louise Hay, but you're worth the time that it takes to nourish yourself and to love on yourself, and to have some other tool in your toolbox to help you navigate this life that we have. And I'll leave you with this. Professor Turfe gave us a number of poems throughout the 8-week session, but one of them stood with me, and that was about peace. So peacefulness that you gain from having an awareness of yourself, peacefulness when you have an awareness of others and you take time to respond in a way that is most loving, most kind. Of course, every situation is different, but if you have an opportunity to do so. But I want to share with you this one last poem that he shared with us by this author. I'm going to share my screen with you. And let's see. Here it is. And this is by Not Han. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing it incorrectly, but the name of it is called Peace is Every Step. And it goes like this. Peace is every step. The shining red sun is my heart. Each flower smiles with me. How green, how fresh all that grows. How cool the wind blows. Peace is every step. It turns the endless path to joy. And I so enjoy that one. He shared others, but this is one that resonated with me. We also did, one of the exercises we did was a mindfulness walking. And so when you're walking outside or in nature, in your home, and each and every step, make a conscious effort to release and let go. And with each and every step, invite peace. That's what I got out of this. Invite peace into every step. when you're doing your walking exercise. So I wanted to share with you my finale. Yay, I did it. I finished the mindfulness course, and I definitely will continue with the practice. Again, he does have drop-in courses, so you can drop in throughout the week. And it's for 30 minutes. If you don't want to do the full-blown 8-week course, maybe just to test the waters a little bit and to see if there's something you want to do. But again, if you've taken the course, let me know what your experience was, or did you have a similar experience that I did? In the comments. I truly appreciate it. And I thank you for watching this retake on this video, and I appreciate you. As always, it is a pleasure to serve you. And until next time, God bless you. I love you. Bye-bye now. Hi, beloved, and thank you for watching. If you have chosen to subscribe to my channel, liked my video, or shared it with anyone you know may be interested, I am truly thankful for you. Until next time, bye-bye now.